Alright guys, part 2 is the complicated part.
Show them what screws we took off.
We took off the screws. If you guys didn't watch it, we took off these screws so far. And we're taking this part off. Trying to be as careful as possible. I don't want to fuck this shit up.
There you go.
I'm not sure if there's wires attached to the top of this.
No, you just pull it off. Look at that. Look at that dirt. Fucking dirty as fuck. Now letting me play the Xbox. See that lens? That lens dirty. The whole Xbox is fucked. You can't read any discs.
It's cooling down.
Shoot in the middle right there.
Okay, that's not good.
Don't give a fuck about that. Oh wait, no, the little black one.
Yeah, I know, that's why. Alright.
Yeah, you need to wipe that.
It's taking a while, guys. I know this is taking a while, but fuck up.
Look at the difference. Look at the difference.
Probably got a rag for this, dude.
It should have. Could have, but didn't. Don't touch that shit.
I don't want to touch it. I don't.
Do not touch that lens. You see that lens right there? Do not touch it. Fuck up your whole Xbox. I think you should just close it back up.
I think we're good already.
Yeah, just close it back up. You don't want to fuck it up more time. Let me just clean this side right here. Let's go. Let's put that shit back on.
I'm just gonna half of my shit. Stay in the middle. Oh, is it what's falling on the bottom?
Oh, the bottom part of it? It's like the bottom part of this metal thing.
Oh, right. I thought it was something else important.
Oh no, it's just the case surrounding that shit. Just pull that shit back up. If this happens to you, just no, fuck. Close that shit quick, nigga. Is the lens okay?
Yeah, sorry. I haven't touched it.
Complicated fun device. All this makes a good time when you're high or drunk.
Or just
or both. Or just bored. One for $300.
How the fuck did it go on?
The one like that. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Flip it around.
Oh, fucking stupid.
Flip it around like that. There you go. There you go. That's how it went.
Yeah, I did.
Alright, flip it around.
What if it's something sticking on the bottom of the lens?
Oh, you fucking dumbass.
No, hopefully nothing was. It was like right here.
Alright, hurry the fuck up.
Alright, where's the screwdriver?
You don't need it. You need to put that one on first. Before you screw in anything, because that's the part that's holding it on.
Now this goes
wrong way. There you go.
Alright guys, this is the part, you guys. Really gotta fucking not be a dumbass on. Just fucking.
There you go. There you go. Perfect fit back. Perfect fit. You need to hear a little click, and you're done.
How was the screw split like this?
Yeah, it's upside down.
I don't know. I'm trying not to pull these cables a lot.
It's just.
Yeah. Oh wow, we could have just done it. Nice. I just hold that there.
A lot easier. Blame him. So don't blame us if your Xbox gets fucked up.
Yep. I'm telling you guys my way I opened it. I'm showing you guys how.
Not.
I'm not showing you guys.
We ain't
Here,
telling
I'll do
you
it
to
for
do
you.
it. We ain't telling you to do it.
Yeah,
We'll
we're
do
not
it
saying
for
to
you
do it yourself. This is for people
who want to.
who aren't like me. Can't afford to pay for this shit to be fixed right now.
Fuck that.
$100 just to do this, guys. Come on. This isn't rocket science. Like this was said.
It's simple.
It's just careful. It's cautiousness. That's what you need.
Steady hands.
Steady hands, exactly. I'm not sure if these screws are supposed to be that tight. I'll do them tight, but not like hard tight.
Yeah, because you might break it.
Yeah, because like, what if like something gets like trapped against the top and something? Get in there. Screwdriver for dumbasses who don't know how to grab screws from that one. It wasn't that dirty in there.
It was pretty
I
dirty.
thought it was dirty. I thought it would be dirtier.
My shit was dirty as fuck.
Alright, flip it.
Flip it down and put it in the exact spot that it was. There you go. Fits perfectly. You don't have to force it. If you force it, you know you're doing it wrong.
I was holding my breath and I was putting this shit on. I was like, ugh.
If you force it, you know you're doing it wrong.
Yeah, if you're forcing it, don't just stop at where you're. I didn't put anything on to take this off.
Put that fucking lid. No, you didn't put it. You just took that shit out straight up.
A little bit tight. Don't want to push. You don't want to push pressure at all right here. If you do, you're gonna regret that because that's where the fucking
Lens.
is. Let's put this baby back on. Hopefully it's not frozen or anything. The fuck is this?
Piece of ice.
Looks like it, but it's not.
Hey, hurry up.
Hey, shut up. I'm gonna put it the wrong way. Even though you have put this on, you still gotta be careful because there's still a lot of shit that can easily just be taken off.
And fuck you. Screws.
It's not on right. Gotta do the fucking fan. The fan. Fans are low. Alright, guys. I don't recommend doing this not inside. Or else you're fucked up.
Do this where you have a lot of room.
Yeah, you're gonna need a lot of room because if I recommend not doing this in carpet.
Because you'll lose the screws.
There's the screws for the, unless you have like a white, well, no, not a white, a black maybe. A black would work. A black thing or red, something that will stand out. The screws.
Any little piece will stand out.
So the screws won't blend in. This is what we. Now we put this shit back together. Sorry guys, this is long. This is really step by step by step. These have to be tight. These are no lie tight. They need to be tight to the point where they can't twist. Well, a lot. There's a piece of land right there. Alright, we're going to just go like this until it gets to the hard part. Cause then, not that tight though. Not like full fucking strength tight. Right here, it says it's faster. Faster than a fucking. Dude, it should better work. If it fucked up, I'm fucking screwed already. Mom and Dad ain't gonna buy me another fucking Xbox.
They ain't waiting for the 720. You got that one, nigga. The corner one. You got the corner one, nigga.
I know. I'm just spraying it a little bit so yeah, we'll get out of there. We'll try to do this tomorrow again, clean it better. And they're done. Just gotta put the main tray in.
Make sure it's not wet, cause you'll fuck it up.
If yours throws out ice like mine does, I recommend air compressor. Air compressors don't throw out ice. Yeah, see, get a rag for this part. Cause it's still some. Like maybe it's something you wash your cars with. Anything that will just wipe it. To the corners, it's kind of hard because there's bumps. My fucking shirt's dirty. It did my laundry too. Alright guys, we're done already. See, that's just cautiousness and really hoping you don't fuck up.
Oh,
that's all.
Don't forget to put this part back in.
Yeah, no, I wasn't forgetting that.
And don't step on it, because then your Xbox don't open again.
Well, you can open it with the control.
Oh, you could open it with the control, but then it's going to be a bitch.
Well, I don't have, this doesn't really matter to me anymore. Make sure it still clicks. That's good. Let me put this on. This is the first time I'm trying to put this on.
I think you had to put that one on first.
Which one?
The bottom one first. The one you're trying to put on now. You have to put it first.
No, I don't.
You don't have to, but
No, I don't think you can. Oh, I think we fucked up. This thing's not staying on. Oh, the back part. Oh, the fucking back part's gonna be. Better not be as difficult as it was to fucking open this shit. I think it's the same way.